No.
I'm Mariana Perez. I'm 27 years old and I'm from Colombia, but now I'm living in New York. My invention is just like a giant vacuum that captures a volume of air and put it on this system that is the machine, of course, the body metal, and break down all the contaminants to a tank. Right now I'm focused on a global expansion because all the world needs to purify air. We are focused trying to put our machine in large industries. Our invention is in a stage of CLL9, that is meaning that it's fully functional, is fully operative, and of course tested, and is have a market adopting. But the first step to be clear that my project contributes to sustainable is that we can transform the pollutions and the contaminants from the air into raw materials that can be usable. So I decided to create this machine because people is ignoring that air is important like water.